Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the app that pays $50 in Bitcoin after a $100 deposit. That is the highest I've ever seen. So watch this video all the way to the end as I give you the step-by-step guide on the app that pays $50 in Bitcoin after a $100 deposit. And if you're excited to learn more about this app, then let's get straight into the value of today's video without wasting too much of your time. So I won't waste your time with filler. I will just get right to the point. OKCoin is the only app or website I know of that gives you $50 in Bitcoin after you put in $100. I know because I got the reward. After your first $100 deposit, you will have another $50 in Bitcoin in 3 to 7 days. Also, once you sign up, you can give your friends and family your own custom referral link. If they use your link to sign up and make their first deposit of $100, both of you will get $50 in Bitcoin. It's a huge win-win situation. OKCoin makes it easy to trade cryptocurrencies. The top 3 coins that give you the most money are Miami Coin, which is a 280% APY, Polkadot, which is 17.12%, USDC, that is the United States dollar coin, which is 11.29 annual percentage yield. Most bank accounts in the United States pay 0.5% interest. At the very least, you could buy some USDC through OKCoin and start earning 22.58 times more interest than you do through your current bank. Well, I'm just saying, I love the annual percentage yield that OKCoin offers as a whole. They have both an app with a simple interface and one that is hard to understand if you are new to trading. You can choose the interface that works best for you. So start using OKCoin today and start making passive income with these higher annual percentage yield rates. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips shared in this video to get the value I just shared with you. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions concerning the app that pays $50 in Bitcoin after $100 deposits. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure to watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you later.